Hello, welcome back to Galaxy Gal. So today I'm going to be showing you some of the fidgets that I've gotten over the course of Christmas and just like yeah, like I may have shown them in videos, like go check these out. My fidgets to take in the bath video, which is really good, and like all these other videos, maybe they're in there, I don't know. So, oh, one rolled away. Let me just grab this one sec. Okay, got it. So the first, I'm gonna try and think back to the first one here. This one. It's a W puppet. It's from Smiggle, and it, trust me, is so damn. What is that one? Oh, it's this. Cute. Oh my god. My god. My god. It's so cute. And the puppet is really good. It's got little like pictures on it, so like, I don't know if you can see, but like that's actually a flower. Yeah. Yeah, it actually does have little engravements on it. Yeah. Okay. So next one would probably be this. It's so cute. So cute. And I can even do this. I got him at the markets when I was at my cousin's house. My cousin Kai, you know, the one that drawing a tabby cat. You should go check that video out. But finish this one first. I went to his house, and he's got a sister, Bodhi. I went to their house, and yeah. Next would be this cute little cat fidget. I got this from my auntie. Yep, Kai and Bodhi's mum. Like a week after I went to her house. It's actually teal. It may seem a bit blue, like just blue, not bluey green. But yeah, it's actually teal. Really good. Ready? That. I don't want to get dirty there. Next would be my snapper. I love snappers. They are so good. I love them. I don't really have a story behind this one. I just like got it. Next would be my unicorn puppet. Wait, no. Before my snapper. What is this? No, after my snapper, yeah. I got my Slinky. I love this. It's so good. I'm only counting mini Slinkies as fidgets because big Slinkies are just too big. But mini Slinkies, yes. So add a mini Slinky to your fidget pile. Next is my unicorn puppet. It is so good. Ready? This is the bad side. And look. Like, they do pop back up, but like, it's actually really nice to do that. Not with every puppet, it's nice to do that, but with this one, it is. Ready? Listen to that. It is so good. I love this. Next, I'm counting this as a fidget. So good. This is the bad side, and this is actually a puppet pencil case, and this is the good side inside. Hear that? So good. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed. Which one was first? This one this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. I love my new fidgets. And I hope you love them too. They're like babies. Thank you for watching. Bye! Like and subscribe. And remember to click on those videos that I told you about. Bye!